Hello, today we are going to talk about the Pacific Alliance and ASEAN. Our focus will be on Vietnam as a strategic partner. The objective of our presentation is to explore opportunities and challenges. We want to understand how both regions can work together. This work was prepared by our group Natalia Tobar, Maria Camila Forero, Dana Valeria Gutierrez, and me. Let's start with the introduction of our topic.
Before we begin, let me share the structure of this presentation. First, we will present the background of the Pacific Alliance and the ASEAN relationship. Then we will see the main opportunities of this relationship creates. After that, we will analyze the main challenges that remain. Next, we will focus on Vietnam, that is the country that we select, as a strategic partner and a bridge between these two regions. And finally, we will present some key conclusions as a group. What happened?
Okay, in this case, let's start with introduction. The relation between the Pacific Alliance and ASEAN has become stronger in recent years. The ASEAN World Plan 2021 and 2025 wants to go further than trade. It includes cooperation in gender, education, culture, digital tools, and sustainability. Leiden University 2023 to talk about this theme. Okay, the analysis focus on three themes. The first is the opportunities of this relation. Second, the change that continues, and the third, the case of Vietnam as an important partner in the cooperation.
Opportunities. The ASEAN-PA relation has four main opportunities. Market diversification. ASEAN has more than 615 million people. It is a young and growing market. It helps the PA reduce dependence on partners like the USA, China, and the European Union. Baroni and Spanglo 2022. Economic complementary. The PA is strong in mining, farming, and energy. ASEAN is strong in manufacturing and supply chains. This creates change for trade and investment between the two regions. Baroni and Spagnolo 2022. Multidimensional cooperation. The 2021 to 2025 plan includes gender equality, education, culture, environment, and digital economy. Leiden University 2023. With through treaties, the CPTPP agreement with members from both regions reduces barriers and gives trust to companies. The Press 2018.
Now let's move on the challenges. The main limitation is the low trade level. Only Chile and Peru have bilateral treaties with ASEAN, and together they make just the 1% of the Asian trade. Another issue is the structural difference. The Pacific Alliance is flexible and pragmatic, while the Asian is much more diverse and countries are very different level of development. We also face the geographical and cultural distances, including the language barriers and the limited knowledge of each other. Finally, there are the weak institutions. Being with work plans, stronger and permanent mechanisms are needed to ensure long-term cooperation.
Okay, I'm talking about to Vietnam. Vietnam is an important partner for the Pacific Alliance, dynamic economy, one of the fastest growing in Asia. A strategic bridge shares the CPTPP with Chile, Mexico, and Peru. This helps economic integration. Bilateral relations with Chile is free trade Trade Council. With Peru is regular political talks on trade and investment. And the future vision, Vietnam, a strategy of multilateralization and diversification makes it a bridge between ASEAN and Latin America. The conclusions are the PA-ASEAN relation offers big opportunities in trade, investment, and social cooperation. The main challenges are low trade, structural differences, cultural disdains, and weak institutions. Vietnam is a key partner to build a strong and sustainable bridge between Latin America and Southeast Asia.